Samsung recently patented an S Pen with a built-in selfie cam which may make the Galaxy Note 10 one of the most elegant phones ever. All screen, zero distractions. Take a look at this video. Rendered by DBS Designing, this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 concept takes into account all the alleged rumors to date. 4 cameras like the Galaxy S10 5G, a bezel-less infinity display, and the possibility of having no notch, punch hole, pop-up camera, sliding screen, or any other existing selfie camera hiding trick. Instead, this Note 10 embraces the idea presented in Samsung February patent published by the US Patent and Trademark Office, an S Pen that contains 2 selfie cameras and communicates wirelessly with the phone. The S Pen is spring-loaded, which makes it easy to just click and have the cameras enclosed in its upper part to come out when you need to take a selfie, only to press it down again when you are done pouting and posting to Instagram. The pen can also be easily charged inside the phone, so the cameras can work whenever needed. You would be able to actually take the pen out completely and make photos from weird angles while using your phone as a viewfinder, at least until the tiny batteries run out. The low-power Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity will take care of the image data transfer. At 48 Mbps it has enough bandwidth to do it. Of course, it's more likely that we won't see this pen in this next generation, but it sure would make things so much prettier and elegant that I wish that would be the case.